So here's my Christmas tag on the 25th in a collaboration with Crafting Rose. And I chose papers from a digital kit by Pink Monarch that I bought on Etsy. And I really liked it because it was sort of not traditional colors, but it did have very traditional images and words as well. So there's a little girl with a snowball here, and this little tag has some nice flowers on it, Christmas-like flowers, poinsettias. I put a little bit of bling on there. And this says holiday cheer. And then at the back, the poinsettias. And it says Merry Christmas on this one. And then I just put hope on the back of this. And deck the halls. So those are two little tags with the pops of red. Remember this. So, a little surprise inside. Open this up. And inside is another tag. A tag and a tag with tags on in the pockets. So little pine cones, and this says Joy to the World. So I thought this would be great to put a gift card in and give that to somebody. That would be a nice idea. And how I made this tag, because it flips up, I used a cracker box. So just the crackers that we have here, and I thought, oh, that is interesting. That would make a nice flip over. So I just used that and cut the notches out here and flipped it up from the bottom, and I attached the pockets by stitching them, these two pockets. And then I put the ribbon underneath using double-side tape, so that's just on the inside top here. And then I stitched up the sides so the ribbon would come out to this side, and then it just ties over. Anyway, that was my idea for my first Christmas tag on the 25th with the Crafting Rose collaboration. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.